Hello, my name is Brendan Moyo, and I've been attending St. Augustine since 2003. In October 2022, I first heard an announcement at Mass about the Called and Gifted workshop, and I was intrigued by the call to discover who God truly meant me to be. So I attended the workshop, and following the workshop, I wasn't really sure what my charisms or my gifts truly were. But with the help of a follow-up interview by a fellow parishioner, by prayer, and by participating in several discernment group discussions, I grew to discover that my charism was that of helping others. What I found most impactful about the Called and Gifted workshop is how it helped me to move from thought to action. Essentially, I had to ask myself, now that I know what my charism is, what am I going to do about it? And with guidance from the interviewer who worked with me through the process, I was able to discern a call to work with people on the streets. So I joined the Feet on the Street ministry in the parish, as well as to work with people on their marriages. And I was blessed to be able to join the St. Augustine's marriage ministry. When I look back on the workshop that I did almost 18 months ago, I'm just struck by how much I learned and how much I continue to learn. I would encourage anyone who is thinking about joining this workshop to do so. I know that it had an amazing impact on my life, and I trust and pray and believe it will have the same impact on your life.
So I'm grateful for the Called and Gifted experience for a number of reasons. I think primary among those is that this was just a wonderful exploration of charisms, and I got to understand those a lot better and learn some very powerful things about myself and learn from the people in my group and from the people who led my group. And that has been really, really important for me. And I would say also in the process, I've gained this wonderful group of prayer warriors. But I think beyond the group, it has also been a really individual experience, and I would say a spiritual experience for me that has helped deepen my faith, helped me to see how I may better serve the Lord in big and small ways through ministry and in everyday life. And I think for me, that's been quite enlightening. Thanks.